2008 John Deere 1760NT planter for sale in Bowling Green, Missouri 63334. Get ready to maximize your efforts in the field with this 2008 John Deere 1760NT planter. This durable planter has been very well maintained, which has enabled its work-ready condition. Nothing runs like a Deere, and this 1760NT is no exception. It comes fully loaded with options and features that are perfect for any hard-working individual. Highlights of these features include: 1 owner finger pickup radial beam meters, 1.5 bushel 3 bushel boxes, liquid fertilizer with piston pump, heavy duty down pressure springs for no-till, Keaton seed firmer, 350 John Deere monitor, and so much more. This 2008 John Deere 1760NT planter is ready to get to work for you. It is field ready and eager to help you start generating revenue right away. If you are someone who appreciates quality equipment at a fraction of the cost, then you owe it to yourself to check out this 2008 John Deere 1760NT planter. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to gain industry success, because this 1760NT is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can put this industrious 2008 John Deere 1760NT planter to work for you.